In 2025, AI-generated music is taking the world by storm, creating opportunities for artists everywhere. First up is Boomy, a platform designed for everyone to create and share music easily. With features like genre selection and automated mixing, Boomy makes music making accessible. Now let's look at Soundful, another intuitive platform aimed at simplifying music production. Soundful offers unique features like customizable templates and an expansive sound library. Boomy allows users to monetize their tracks via streaming, licensing, and more. Similar to Boomy, Soundful also enables monetization through various channels. Let's compare how easy it is to get started with each platform. Quality matters. We'll analyze the output from both platforms. Both platforms have thriving communities. Let's see what resources are available. Meet some successful users who have earned big from their music. So, which platform truly gives you the best chance of making money with music? Let's summarize.